going on, ladies and gentlemen? MonkeyFlop here, and today we're going to be going and checking out Dodger Stadium. We're also going to go up to Elysian Park, which should have some really nice views. What is going on over here? Oh no! Are we heading into something that we don't want to go into? It's the weekend, they should be closed. And we should be able to see Dodger Stadium. And that's actually the first place I wanted to go, was to go and check out Dodger Stadium. See what it looks like. Ladies and gentlemen, Dodger Stadium. That's pretty dope. We're like right here. That's awesome. I actually want to get two pictures real quick. One a Dodger Stadium sign. Check the oil level real quick. We're good, we're full. I definitely don't want, I checked the oil before I left, but I definitely don't want to be riding these hills on low oil. The Los Angeles Police Academy. Wow. Man, for a 250, this thing is going good uphill, baby. I'm not even pushing it. We're still in third gear. This should be a nice view. Should be a gorgeous view. There's a little Dodger Stadium practice area for the kids. I didn't even know that. That's cool. Uh-oh. Somebody got busted for something. They're getting tickets. Twisties. Oh, people. Now this is what I'm talking about. We got a really nice view of garbage trucks. I'm just kidding. It's actually a really nice view, as you guys can see. That is super dope. We got downtown over there, which looks pretty cool too. What I'm really digging is those train tracks down there. But where are the trains? Oh, I see a couple. That's pretty cool. This view is pretty dope. You can see Dodger Stadium off to the side over there. I don't know if you guys could see the stadium lights. Downtown LA. You got a better view of the 110 freeway going into downtown too. And the bridge. I think that is actually the LA River. I think. I could be completely wrong. And I'm pretty sure over there is East LA. Let's actually go back on the bike and explore a little bit more. Man, I love that view. That view is awesome. Now that's pretty cool. Got like a little train station going on right there. That's pretty dope. I'm glad I turned around just to look at this real quick. Well, adventures await. I had to stop again right here because this is a really nice view as well. If you keep going that way, you'll hit Glendale, Burbank. I think this is a 5 freeway, if I'm not mistaken. We're gonna ride, baby! Oh man, this view looks pretty sick. We're gonna stop, not where that lady is, but over here. The other view was honestly a little bit better than this one. what these people did. Let's check out that view though. There's a lot of rocks over here. Wow, that view is awesome. It'd be cool to do like some hiking and stuff. I see the trail, but your boy is not down for that right now. Just a casual weekend ride on the motorcycle is good enough for me. But these views are nice. Let's go back. Let's rock and roll, baby. What did those people do? Ooh, little sneak peek view of downtown LA. Very nice. Twisties downhill definitely has a different feel than uphill. I'll tell you that that's for sure. I actually want to do the Twisties one more time. They're so much fun. Well, ladies and gentlemen, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit a like, comment down below, support your boy. If you guys are new, of course, subscribe with those bell notifications turned on. If you guys have any advice or any places you want me to visit in LA, let me know in those comments down below. I'm always looking for a new adventure, baby. Anyways, I'll see you in those comments. I appreciate you, and I'll see you guys in the next news. I did it again. In the next motorcycle vlogging video, baby. Man, these Twisties are gonna be fun to go back down.